Welcome to 360 Crypto Arena, where the world of cryptocurrencies comes to life. Are you ready to dive deep into the world of blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and digital finance? Well, you're in the right place. Here at 360 Crypto Arena, we're more than just a channel. We're a thriving community of crypto enthusiasts just like you. We bring you the latest news, expert insights, and educational content that will help you master the crypto game. Join us on this thrilling journey by hitting that subscribe button right now, and make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of knowledge empowerment as we explore the 360-degree view of the crypto world. Share your thoughts, engage with our community, and let's build a brighter, crypto-informed future, one video at a time.
Ever pondered the idea of diving into the world of cryptocurrency investing, but found it a bit daunting? No need to fret, because today we are demystifying the process, breaking it down into clear, manageable steps. First, we tackle the basics. Cryptocurrency, in its simplest form, is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike your traditional dollar or euro, these currencies are decentralized and operate on a technology called blockchain. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, which is the most well-known, but there are thousands of others out there. So, how do you choose the right one to invest in? The answer lies in diligent research. Look into the project's team, the technology behind it, its market cap, and potential for growth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify by investing in a variety of cryptocurrencies. Next, you'll need a place to store your digital wealth. This is where a digital wallet comes in, from web-based to mobile, hardware, and even paper wallets. Each type boasts its own unique advantages and security features. Choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to investing. Stay updated on the latest trends, news, and regulations in the cryptocurrency market. Join online communities, follow reputable influencers, and read up on the subject to make informed decisions. Like all investments, cryptocurrency does come with risks. It's crucial to manage these risks by setting a budget and only investing what you can afford to lose. Stop-loss orders can limit potential losses, and regularly reviewing your investment strategy based on market conditions can keep you on the right track. To start investing, you'll need a reliable trading platform. Look for one that offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, robust security measures, and convenient deposit and withdrawal options. Don't forget to take into account the platform's fees and customer support. In the world of digital currencies, security is paramount. Protect your investments from hackers by using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being vigilant against phishing attempts. A hardware wallet can provide added security, particularly for larger amounts of cryptocurrencies. Once you've made your investments, keep track of their performance. Use portfolio tracking tools or apps to monitor the value of your holdings and set clear goals for your investments. A trading journal can help you learn from both your successes and mistakes. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't hesitate to seek professional advice. A financial advisor or cryptocurrency expert can provide personalized guidance to help you navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency investing. In summary, the journey into cryptocurrency investing involves understanding the basics, choosing the right currencies, setting up a wallet, continuous learning, managing risks, selecting a trading platform, ensuring security, tracking your investments, and seeking professional advice when needed. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy, cryptocurrency investor.
Thank you for joining us on this crypto journey. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications for more.